masyadong siksikan, katulad sa atin. Amoy putok.
I think Enchanted Kingdom is bigger.
Good yan. Parang Enchanted Kingdom siya, guys. Okay.
Central Station.
Central Station. Daming Pinoy.
Daming hold up.
Madami. Look at these trees. Nice. Ito nasa movie daw ito eh. Joke lang daw. Cute man.
Yung movie na pinanood mo kagabi.
Ah, talaga?
Yung ano yung... Somewhere in the Dead.
It's like a Zombieland, guys. Tama na tayo sandali sa playground dito. Nakita ka.
Your turn.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1,
go!
Jump!
Woo!
Galing ah.
Good job. Okay.
3, 2, 1, jump! Going to the city. We're going to McDonald's. Kailan was McDonald's? Where are you going, baby?
To the McDonald's.
Okay, bye. See
Bye.
you.
See you.
Napunta kami ng ulan kaya dito kami, hakad kami, sasakay kami ng train. Maraming klase ng train dito pero sasakyan namin.
Ang easy dito.
Saan sasakay tayo? Kaya sa ibabaw, no?
Ha? Ito yung mismo train, hindi metro.
Yung metro
ang
yung
metro,
nasa ilalim.
underground.
Okay. So, ayan, paakit kami. Ang bako, mapanghi. Kami dumaan sa kabilang side. Dito kami lumabas sa kabila. Ayan na yung train. Train kami. Commute lang kami. Yan. Para maranasan ni Caleb sumakay sa train. Pero dati nakasakay na si Caleb. Dati nakasakay na si Caleb, di ba, Daddy? Sasakay na kami. Hindi pa pala. Mag-ano pa pala si G. Yung ticket. Okay. Sakay na kami. Alright. Sana sa hair ko gulo-gulo. Ngayon dito yung train, oh. Hindi masyadong siksikan, katulad sa atin. Naamoy putok. Sa atin amoy putok. Di ba, Aske? Marami na tayong bumaba.
Next time.
Tignan nyo dito, pwede sa kayong bike. Bumaba na tayo. Tignan nyo parang sa mga horror movies yung itsura, no? Parang yung sa Train to Busan. So dahil may stroller kami, hindi kami pwede makit dyan. Dito kami sa kabila. Elevator. We need to check out first. Okay. Then we go up. Baho mapanghi.
Central Station.
Central Station. Daming Pinoy.
Daming hold-upper.
Madaming hold-upper daw dito. Alam ko meron ditong Dunkin' Donut. Yan, tapos may mga store din, tapos supermarket, maraming kainan. Oh, it's like in the movie, di ba? Hindi ko alam kung anong movie yung may kuha na ganito sa Central Station.
Ibo. Kasi parang covered.
Going outside, kakain kami sa McDonald's or Burger King. Hindi ko alam kung buhay pa yung Dunkin' Donuts dito. Buhay pa daw. Yan. Alam ko sikat yung Dunkin' Donuts dito na nakaraan, pinagkakaguluhan. Now it's here. Ayan, namili na kami dyan before. Dunkin' Donuts. Dunkin' Donuts. And wow, si Caleb may nakita dun sa corner. M&M's. He wants to look on the M&M's. Wow! M&M's.
You want that one?
You want that one, Caleb? Oh no! Alam ka ba? Pagti ko konti lang. Konti lang. Oops! Oh, that's a lot. Yeah, we're going outside na. Oy, look, oh, Halloween. October 11 to November 3. You can go over there. Go inside. It's really huge inside. It's really huge. The basket.
I think Enchanted Kingdom is bigger.
Yan. Parang Enchanted Kingdom siya, guys. Look, October 3 or October 11 to November 3.
Oh yeah, it started today.
Yeah, it started today. You see, we're going there. But not today. Yeah, Caleb, you need to wear your costume first.
We're going there with Marley and Nina.
We are in the city now. So, yan yung metro. Central Station. Dito sa city mismo. Nakatira din kami sa city pero ito yung pinaka parang main city na siya.
Town Hall.
Town Hall. So, ito pa yung yung entrance ng Tivoli. Wow! That's the entrance. See? Gagawa kami ng vlog kapag pumunta kami dyan. See? Si Caleb gusto nang pumasok. Title natin ito, Sneak Peek City of Copenhagen. parking on the other side of the street. Yan. Doon sa may banda roon, doon yung mga branded na store like Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Burberry. Yeah, that's walking street. Yan. Mahabang mahaba siya, tapos dikit-dikit. Yung mga luxury na product. Mas ka? Luxury brand. McDonald's! I'm going to eat her first. Here. Okay. Sa taas, ang daming tao. Harap tayo ng upuan. Up. Order muna tayo. Order na sisket. What are we going to order?
What do you want? O yung unahin muna natin si Caleb.
Sige. Taas, Caleb.
Caleb. What do you want,
Ito
Caleb?
yung mga Happy Meal ng mga
Huh?
pamasa.
Which one do you want?
Fish fillet
Nuggets?
siguro.
Nugget?
Or fish.
Huh? Fries?
That's for Caleb.
Anong dito?
Barbecue. Ay, done here. Saraban.
Smoothie or juice? Juice?
Saraban.
For him?
Fanta. Ayun na
For
lang.
him?
Yeah. Orange juice.
For him?
For him. Pwede naman orange. Sige, juice na lang siya.
Oh. Juice only.
Apple juice yan.
Apple ba?
Ito?
Apple scene. Hindi
Apple
apple.
sin.
Apples.
Sorry, Caleb. Waiting for our food. Waiting for our food. Side Caleb, Happy Meal. They have apples. They have juice.
You have
Fries. What is that? What do you have? What did you get? 4 nuggets for Caleb.
food.
What else inside the Happy Meal?
Is there anything else?
Is there anything else? Wow! What is that? It's a toy Lego. Wow!
After open it,
Later after you eat. Wow! This is... I got a cheeseburger, parang white cheeseburger. Nasket, no? It's like a white cheeseburger.
No. White cheese.
White cheeseburger. Nag-aabang na kami ng bus. Hindi na kami makakagala at umuulan. Si Caleb gusto nang pumunta. Ito yung ibang side ng Tivoli. Pero umuulan. Not today. Going home na. DR City daw yun yung parang DR hindi masyado makita kasi basa. It's like parang ABS-CBN daw. Hindi mo na kailangan sabihin parang so dyan kami nababa na kami. Sorry, sinisinok ako. Wow, may apple tree dito sa tabi-tabi lang. It's apple or plum?
It's apple.
It's but pero parang ang liit lang ano. It's apple daw. It's apple tree. Oh, sorry. Sinisunok ako. Uwi na kami. You guys, buto ba dito maganda yung bus nila? Kasi sa atin, humihinto lang basta-basta pwede bumaba na kung saan. Dito hindi pwede. Kailangan sa bus stop talaga. Sa building namin. Dito talaga secure. Ayan o, may sariling ano sila. So, ito kami. Luma na tong building na to eh, kaya walang elevator. Yung mga bago meron. Oh, sorry talaga. Sinisunok ako. Kayla, come on, you click the Zulueta. Can you read? Which one is the Zulueta? Not that one. That one. Doorbell. Kailangan pindutin to para pagbuksan kami.